Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most intriguing and unconventional releases of the year, the 2026 Honda three-wheel camper. If you thought camper vans and compact RVs had reached their peak creativity, Honda just flipped the script. This three-wheeled micro-camper is redefining what minimal travel can look like in 2026. At first glance, the 2026 Honda three-wheel camper immediately stands out. Its reverse trike configuration, 2 wheels up front and 1 in the rear, gives it a distinctive, futuristic stance. It feels like something straight out of a concept showcase, but this is a fully functional production model designed for real-world adventure. The front end carries Honda's modern design language, featuring sleek LED headlamps, sharp body lines, and a compact yet confident grille. Because of the dual front wheels, stability is a major highlight. Unlike traditional three-wheelers of the past, this setup provides improved balance, especially during cornering and braking. The wide front track gives drivers a planted feel, which is crucial when you're carrying camping gear and supplies. Under the hood, Honda has equipped the three-wheel camper with a refined, fuel-efficient hybrid powertrain. It combines a small displacement gasoline engine with an electric assist system, delivering impressive mileage, a key factor for long road trips. The power output isn't about speed, it's about smooth, dependable cruising. This camper is built for scenic highways, coastal routes, and mountain roads, not drag races. The transmission is tuned for comfort, offering seamless acceleration. Steering feels light in urban settings and more stable at highway speeds. One of the biggest advantages of this vehicle is maneuverability. Thanks to its compact footprint, parking in tight city spaces or small campground spots is far easier than with traditional camper vans. Now let's talk about what really matters: the camper functionality. Despite its compact size, Honda has engineered an impressively efficient living space. Step into the rear cabin, and you'll find a smartly designed micro-RV layout. The seating area converts into a sleeping space suitable for 2 adults. It's cozy, but intelligently arranged, with foldable components that maximize every inch of space. Storage compartments are integrated throughout the interior, under the seats, along the side panels, and in overhead sections. For weekend trips or minimalist full-time travel, the space feels practical rather than cramped. Honda clearly